scrub, and this is by Organic Feelings out of Los Angeles. I got this out of this month's IPSY. So to start this off, I'm going to dampen my body and then put this on there in circular motions and leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse off. Has a resealable pouch. This is what it looks like. It looks like pure coffee getting ready to go on my body. And it says to wet your body first. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it and then wait 5 to 10 minutes before. So I added it to my body and it was very loose and it would fall off. And as you can see, it messed up the floor. So you're definitely going to need to vacuum. I'm going to try it again, but I'm going to create a paste with it this time, just by adding the water directly to the scrub. All right, so this is the next day that I'm going to try it. I put a little bit of water in the bowl, and I've got my coffee scrub here. I'm going to make a mix with it. So I just went on, it's supposed to be enough for 2 servings, but I went on and just dumped all of it in there. And I'm going to mix it. And then apply it to my skin. And I'll let you know how it comes out. All right, YouTubers, I'm back. After mixing up the mixture and it adhered a lot better to my skin, I felt like I was getting the scrub worth. My initial review of this is, 1, it is extremely messy. So I suggest that if you don't want to sit in your tub the entire time of putting it on, waiting the 5 to 10 minutes, this is going to be messy. The grains and everything gets all over everything. Even though I mixed it with some water and gave it a little soupy type paste, it still ended up being messy. Now when I washed it off, it was very smooth on my skin. But I did have to go back over my skin with body wash because I didn't want to smell like coffee. I didn't want that smell. So the original coffee scrub is great for someone that, you know, has an area in their bathroom that they can just mess up and then paste it up, or you can put it on like they say to put it on, and wait the 5 to 10 minutes and then take it off. It's awesome. It's really awesome if you don't mind having that coffee smell, which is not bad. But I'm just like, for the struggle that you had to put in and clean up, which thank goodness I'm sitting here in the hotel, so I have to leave an extra tip for the housekeeping because it did get a lot of those coffee grinds on the floor. So it looks like grinded coffee to me. But like I said, the product does work that way. This is the coffeescrub.com in case you're interested in it. It did come in the IPSY for the month of February, so that was a good thing. Would I run out and buy this? No. Would I recommend it for somebody that has some really dry, rough, hard skin? Yes. But if you're not one of them people that want to clean up and stuff like that, I suggest you not do it in your bathroom. All right, so hopefully that gave you all an idea of the coffee scrub and how to expect for it to work. All right, so if you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to say hey. And if you can, YouTube fam, follow me on my social media. You'll find out a lot more things that I'm doing that I can't always get a video up in time for. So this is me at the Arnold Classics. This is the official t-shirt. I'm in Columbus, Ohio. And yeah, I did this review while I was here. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to share it, like, and subscribe. It's your girl SJ with real beauty, real food, and real life. And if you want to see me review anything additional, please just let me know. Just comment below. Hit me on the Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Bye.